Hi everyone, I'm Anna Timmerman with the LSU Ag Center, and today we're here in the New Orleans Botanical Garden at the Butterfly Walk. Here in front of us we have some milkweed, and milkweed is a really popular choice for our home gardens because it's the host plant for the beautiful monarch butterfly. One of our most common butterfly gardening questions has to do with the aphids that like to infest all of our milkweed species. These are known as oleander aphids, and as you can see, there's a whole cluster of them right there at the tip of the milkweed. What's interesting about oleander aphids is they host not only on milkweed, but also our oleander shrubs that many of us have in our home landscapes. They can go both ways. All of the oleander aphids are also female, and what's really interesting about them is they actually give live birth, they don't lay eggs, and each generation is born pregnant, so they actually reproduce without any males. They're all clones of one another. They spread from plant to plant either by walking, or the winged adults can fly some short distances. If they get carried by the wind, they can travel a lot further. A lot of our butterfly gardeners ask about oleander aphids because they're concerned that they're either going to compete with the caterpillars for a food source or harm the caterpillars in some way. None of that is true. The oleander aphids are just one of many insects that use the milkweed plant as a host plant, and they, in general, play along well. You actually don't need to spray any kind of insecticide or wash the oleander aphids off. You can leave them be because they're not going to compete with those caterpillars as they're feeding. Caterpillars will either move around them, or if it's a larger instar monarch caterpillar, they might even decide to eat some of those aphids as a protein source and a snack. So no action is needed. What I really like about oleander aphids is when I'm at the garden center shopping for plants that have not been treated with any pesticides to include in my pollinator gardens. On the milkweed, the oleander aphid is a really good indication that that milkweed has not been sprayed with any kind of insecticide. So I know it's going to be safe for my baby caterpillars.